In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know to get started with pre-made dropshipping stores. Dropshipping is a type of e-commerce business where you sell products without holding any inventory. Pre-made dropshipping stores are pre-built online stores that are already stocked with products, making it easy for beginners to get started. So let's dive in. Pre-made dropshipping stores are online stores that are already built and ready to go. These stores typically come with products, product descriptions, and even some marketing tools. They are designed to help new dropshippers get started quickly without having to build a store from scratch. Most pre-made dropshipping stores are sold as a package, which includes everything you need to get started. One of the biggest advantages of using pre-made dropshipping stores is the time saved in building a store from scratch. You can get started quickly with a pre-made store and focus on marketing and selling. Additionally, pre-made stores come with products, so you don't have to spend time sourcing products and creating product listings. Finally, pre-made stores are often designed by professionals, so they look professional to customers. One of the biggest disadvantages of using pre-made dropshipping stores is the lack of control over your store. Since the store is built by someone else, you may not have control over the design or layout. You also may not have control over the products that are included in the store. Finally, pre-made stores are often sold to multiple people, which can lead to duplicate content and a lack of uniqueness. Choosing a pre-made dropshipping store can be overwhelming since there are so many options available. It's important to choose a store that fits your niche and has quality products. It's also important to choose a store that is customizable so you can make changes to the design and layout. Finally, look for a store that has good reviews from other users. Pre-made dropshipping stores can be a great way to get started in e-commerce quickly. They have their advantages and disadvantages, but can be a great option for beginners. When choosing a pre-made store, make sure to choose one that fits your niche and has quality products. If you put in the work, you can build a successful online store with a pre-made dropshipping store. Thanks for watching.